Ngibingelela nonke enibukela kule video. I-video yethu it's about electrostatics. I-topic le ekhona kwa-grade 11 nakwa-grade 12. I-question lena sizoyenza inama-questions amabili kuphela. Sizofunda i-statement esithi two small charge spheres, A and B. Ama-sphere awu-2 are-charged, uku-A and B, on insulated stands. Now ama-stand are-insulated, kusho ukuthi lento izinto lezi lama-stand amekuwo lama-charges angama-insulators or conduct electricity. Base bethi with charges 2 times 10 to the negative 5 and le charge le negative ne-positive respectively. Basho ukuthini mabethi respectively? Basho ukuthi ungaphambanisi ukuthi le charge yayi eka-A noma eka-B. Basho ukuthi since la qale ngo-A kunenye A nama sekunenye ama-charge lezo name kuqala eka-A respectively okulandelana A B shuthi nalana ethini A B kanjalo shuthi la eka-A le enye eka-B as be indicated are placed 0.4 meters apart. La ubani 0.4 meters apart. Phakathi kwabo kune distance engangale 0.4 meters as shown in the diagram below. Njengoba sikhombisile. Base bethi M is the midpoint. I-keyword le ukuthi mele sazi ukuthi yini midpoint. I-midpoint between spheres A and B. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Ubani uyi-midpoint, u-M uyi-midpoint. Kusho ukuthi u-M uphakathi nendawo kwabo. Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi le distance yonke iphelele noma ephakathi nendawo kwayo. Kusho ukuthi ukuya ngapha kumele kube ubani? Kumele kube ubani u-0.2. Ukuya ngapha u-0.2. Khona ukuthi wazi mokuhlanisa khiphe u-0.4. Yeah, ukhombisa ukuthi lezi ndawo engapha nengapha zizolingana ngoba yena uphakathi nendawo. Then shuthi mayilale charge u-M ukuyale kuyalifana nokuyale. Yeah, akukho la kusekudeni khona. Base bethi define the term electric field at a point. Uzodefine electric field at a point as the electrostatic force experienced per unit positive charge placed at that point. Then size kule question le. Then for la cela ukuthi ngayibhali because ilo akho ikhona manothini le i-definition yala. Then 8.1.2 bathi calculate the net electric field. Yabo inama keyword njalo le topic inama keywords. Ngoba bethi net electric field la sebesho kunye basasho lokho wena ubuzocabanga ukuthi kusho i-electrostatic force. Then i-electric field le. Then at point M sifuna ini i-net electric field at point M. Basifuna leyo nto leyo ukuthi siyicalculate kanjani. Then i-formula ye-electric field ithini? Then ithi formula okay singakayi kwi-formula yakhona ake sidwebe into esizayo njalo since la sidila ngama-vectors into esizayo udweba i-free body diagram yaleyo nto esisuke sikhuluma ngayo. Ngithi kuthiwa at point M then sesithi u-point wethu bani lona u-point M wethu lo u-M sesirepresenta as a dot. Then udweba i-electric i-free body diagram yakhe. Angithi u-experience ini sirepresenta ilokhu njani i-free body diagram yakhe la or i-force diagram. Then sizothini-ke u-check-a yena u-M ukuze udwebe i-electric i-force diagram yakhe noma i-electric ilokhu njani free body diagram yakhe. U-check-a yena ukuthi since la then bathi angithi at point M is the midpoint. Then i-electric field yini i-electric field since la bethe yi-point angithi bazile bathe M is the midpoint between A and B. Yabo then yeah uyi-midpoint then lana ke kufana nje ukuthi i-point because electric field experience amakunjani mangabe kunani kune-point ngoba i-form definition ithi is the electrostatic force experienced per unit positive charge placed at that point. I-point lethu yileli. Then kuzosuka la kuze la kube nani between leli point nalo A kuzoba nani ne-electric field. Kusuka la kuze la kune-electric field kusho ukuthi la i-point lihlezi kuba libe no-positive charged, liba positive charge njalo i-point liba u-positive charged. Then ukuze senzeke i-free body diagram u-M kusho ukuthi-ke point M kusho ukuthi u-positive, then usuya-check ukuthi uzokwenza njani due to u-B. Electrostatic force, electric field izo-experienceka iye kwa-right noma iya kwa-left. Ubheka ngo-M ngoba bathe at point M positive no-negative bazo-attract ama-ion-like charges futhi yena u-M uyithatha kuye njalo ilokhu njani isiqalo sakho uqala ku-M futhi i-force isuka kuyo u-M iya le, yabo, iya kubani, iba attracted suka kuyo u-M awuyi ku-B. Awuqali ku-B ukuthi hayi u-B uzoya le, sikhuluma ngo-M futhi u-M sibheka i-behavior yakhe wenza njani u-experience electric field eya kwabani, eya kwa-right angithi futhi i-electric field between ubani, between electric field M and u-B and point B kanje. Uzo-check-a futhi ukuthi between u-M and A kwenzakalani, angithi kwenzakalani. U-M u-positive then u-A unjani, u-positive, ama-like charges aya-repel angithi. Kusho ukuthi ngeke azaye kuye uzoya lena-ke then uzoyibalekela leya positive charge futhi uzokwenza njani, uzoya le then electric field between ubani, between ubani A and M, yabo kanje. Then kukanje, then sowenza njani-ke emva la soyidwebile-ke i-free body diagram yakho. Iyona free body diagram yakho lena izokutholisa i-net electric field. I-electric field u-M le ayi-experience ku-A yile, electric field u-M ayi-experience ku-B yile engenzansi. Mase sifuna i-net yakhona kwenzakalani, siyawa-add ngithi ama-vectors lawo shuthi aye kwi-direction eyodwa then siyawa-add futhi along the horizontal shuthi kuvumelekile ukuthi siwa-add. Then shuthi i-net electric field izoba kanjani, i-net is equal to bani, is equal to electric field between M and A. Then angithi siwa-add ku-direction eyodwa njengama-vectors shuthi le plus le iyona net electric field experience kubani, experience kalapha ku-M, yabo. Then due to u-A and B iyonto leyo bese uthini futhi plus because siwa-add kwi-direction eyodwa ngithi then shuthi omabili ama-sign ayafana plus electric field M experience shuthi u-B kanje. Then emva la suwenza njani, suplugga ini-ke i-formula electric field ithini i-formula ithi KQ1 divide by R squared bese ithi plus futhi ithi KQ1 divide by R squared. I-formula yelo electric field between, mawufuna ucalculate electric field between u-M and A. M and A, u-A experience due to M, then wenza njani-ke uyiplugga in la angithi kanjalo nala sikhuluma ngo-B. Then sowenza njani, u-K wakho ubani u-9 times 10 to the power 9 I think kanje. Then u-charge 1 because sikhuluma ngo-M no point M no A, point M and A i-charge yethu kusuke kubani, always i-sign isebenzisa ama-sign lawo positive no minus asiba consider as substitute la i-number hlesi i-charge sithatha i-positive futhi sizothatha u-positive lo noma kuthiwa beku-negative sithatha u-positive njalo. Then so multiply nabani no-charge lapha, no-charge bani u-2 times 10 to the power minus 5 divided by i-distance between them. Angithi kuthiwa u-M uyi-midpoint shuthi i-distance between angithi siyakhuluma ngo-point A, M ne-charge A. Charge A distance kusuka la between bona ubani u-0.2 angithi because kuthiwa lowo phakathi nendawo shuthi la 0,2 nangapha 0,2 0,2 all squared plus electric field u-M elo as point M shuthi ulo charge B ithini 9 times 10 to the power 9 substitute okay multiply by ucharge wethu ucharge B angithi sign yakhona sithatha as positive always then futhi nakhona angithi midpoint shuthi nokusuka la kale uzolingana futhi shuthi ubani nakhona 0,2 then after la siwenza njani angithi awuboya kwa right sikhuluma ngevector shuthi neanswer yethu because i-electric field yethu leyo nayo kumele ibe nani inebe nemagnitude and direction then sesizokwenza kanje sesizoplugga in la kwi-calculator yethu then uyithola ikanje i-magnitude yakho it's 4,500,225 okay comma so round off to two decimal places ukuthi ubani 4,9 49 sorry sengithi 4,9 because so round off la it's 49 newton per coulomb i-unit yakhona ithi newton per coulomb because i-positive angithi lawa ngithi besifake nawo ama-charge lawa ilokhunjani electrostatic force benjani okay i-direction yakhona benjani beyi-positive beku-positive oyi-2 la kusho ukuthini iya kwabani i-still isaya kwabani kwa-right to the right yeah kuba kanje noma kuthiwa uyithole kanje futhi akunankinga yabo izoba right futhi or sithi ubani u-4,5 times 10 to the power minus 6 newton per coulomb then to the right ayikho futhi inkinga noma uthole kanje